Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to iCloud Drive at 2026. So as first you will need to ask how iCloud works with Canva, alright? And the answer is there is no direct connect iCloud button inside Canva like Google Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive, etc. But don't worry, you can still use iCloud Drive smoothly with Canva using Apple's built-in sharing and file system. And to do that, you will need to open the Canva app, okay? So now you will need to open or create a design. So for example, we'll just open one, right? And then we will tap add or upload files option. So that's one on the bottom, as you can see, as a cloud. So just tap it and then just go with upload files, the first option in the purple color. Okay, so just click that and then choose device option. So now you'll need to go with choose files, and here you can pick your files and select the files from your iCloud Drive. Okay, you can even go with browse here and then just click on Canva, okay, and change it to on my phone and pick your files. So actually guys, you can do the same on your Mac. So you'll need just to click on the same things, down upload, and then just go with my device, then my files, then just download the file to or upload the file to Canva. And that's it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.